Smartwatches with Wear OS by Google are compatible with phones running the latest version of Android or iOS. The newest Qualcomm 4100 Plus chipset brings a 30% enhanced performance, improved power, more reliable connection and up to 4x range with Bluetooth 5. Automatically tracks activity goals, steps, sleep, heart rate, cardio, and SpO2, blood oxygen. Activity modes with GPS keep you on track with your distance and path. Advanced sensors provide the data to power all your health and fitness tracker apps. Always on display, now brighter with more colors and higher pixel count. Thousands of watch faces to personalize your look and always see the time. Hundreds of apps from assistant to fitness, contactless payments, music, social, news, stopwatches and more. Stay connected with notifications for calls, texts, apps, automatic time zone and calendar syncing. Answer and make calls directly on your watch when your phone is out of reach. This smartwatch features a speaker, microphone, and customizable buttons. Our new caseback and included magnetic charger allow for faster charging than other generations. Charge up to 80% in 30 minutes. Optimize your battery life with simplified. Use the Wear OS by Google app on your phone running the latest version of Android, excluding Go Edition, or iOS. Supported features may vary between platforms and countries with compatibility subject to change. Battery, 24HR plus multi-day extended battery mode varies based on usage and after updates install. USB cable with magnetic charger snaps to rings on watch case back and spins 360 degrees for ease of use. 50 minutes to reach 80%. Lifestyle, this is one smartwatch with always on display with thousands of watch faces to personalize your look and always see the time. Hundreds of apps from assistant to fitness, payments, music, social, news, games, stopwatches and more. With a swim-proof design, it's perfect for all your activities. Health and fitness, automatically tracks activity goals, steps, sleep. Answer/make call after connecting to Bluetooth. You can directly dial the phone number on watch to answer the call. Support to sync 8 contacts to watch. Built-in microphone and speaker, you can make/answer calls, also play music, on the spot from your wrist. Smartwatches for women support you to exercise, without having to take your phone from your pocket. 1.32 inches HD full touchscreen and custom dial. This smartwatch for Android iOS phones is equipped with a 1.32 high sensitivity full touchscreen and resolution of 360 by 360, easier, more refined, more stylish. There are 160 plus different watch face styles to choose on this smartwatch. This smartwatch for women is compatible with iOS 8.0, Android 4.4 and above, such as iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Sony, LG, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, etc. AI voice and message notification. This Android iOS smartwatch men/women can receive SMS and app messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram. Note, cannot reply message, so you will never miss any calls and message during meetings or workout. Besides, enter the voice control function and tap and talk to activate your phone's voice assistants. This Bluetooth call smartwatch can control phone to do whatever you want on your wrist, such as weather, news and other operations. All-day heart rate/blood pressure/SpO2/sleep monitor. The Android smartwatch gives you real-time heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen monitor, SpO2, which can also help to keep track of your sleep data, deep sleep, light sleep and rapid eye movement, and bring you to more scientific sleep habits. During exercise, the smartwatch automatically records daily steps, distance counter, calories burned and active minutes. With this fitness watch for men/women, you can have a healthier, more active life. Multifunctional NDIP67 waterproof smartwatch for Android iOS phones features 20 sports modes, allowing to satisfy sports enthusiasts whether indoors or outdoors. Our smartwatch for women has functions such as voice control, quick app view, female health, breath train, 2 casual games. Fitness watch has a good waterproof effect for daily life, such as washing hands. Anti-sweat, anti-rain, etc. It is not recommended to soak in a water vapor environment, not suitable